Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rohik. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the top 20 GitHub repositories in the year 2023. If you are a software developer or just interested in the latest trends in tech, then this video is for you. We compiled a list of the most popular and innovative GitHub projects that you won't want to miss. Before we get started, if you are new here, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on our latest videos. Also, if you find this video helpful or interesting, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Alright, let's dive into the top 20 GitHub repositories of 2023 and see what amazing projects the developer community has been working on. The Coding Interview University repository on GitHub is a collection of resources and materials aimed at helping individuals prepare for software engineering interviews. It was created by John Washam, a software engineer who has worked at companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. The repository is organized into a curriculum-like structure, covering a wide range of topics that are commonly tested in technical interviews. Some of the topics covered include data structures, algorithms, system design, databases, and networking. Within each topic, there are various resources such as books, articles, videos, and practice problems to help individuals gain a deeper understanding of the material. The repository is meant to be a self-study guide, with the expectation that users will take the time to work through each topic and practice their skills by working on practice problems. The repository is not meant to be a comprehensive guide to software engineering interviews, but rather a starting point for individuals to build their own knowledge and skills. Overall, the Coding Interview University repository is a valuable resource for individuals who are preparing for software engineering interviews and looking to improve their technical skills. The Awesome repository on GitHub is a curated list of various resources and tools related to software development, covering a wide range of topics and technologies. It was created by Sindre Sohus, a Norwegian software developer and open source enthusiast. The repository is organized into various categories, such as programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and tools, with each category containing a list of resources related to that topic. The resources listed in the repository include everything from tutorials and documentation to libraries and tools and are curated by the community through pull requests. The Awesome repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to learn about new technologies or find resources to help them in their work. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Awesome repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to learn about new technologies and stay up to date on the latest tools and resources in the software development industry. The JavaScript Algorithms repository on GitHub is a collection of popular algorithms and data structures implemented in JavaScript. It was created by Oleksiy Traitleb, a software engineer and open source enthusiast. The repository is organized into several categories, such as searching, sorting, data structures, and dynamic programming. Within each category, there are various algorithms and data structures implemented in JavaScript, along with examples and explanations of how they work. The repository is designed to help individuals learn about algorithms and data structures by providing clear and concise implementations in JavaScript. Each algorithm and data structure is thoroughly documented and comes with examples to help individuals understand how they work. The JavaScript Algorithms repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to improve their algorithmic problem-solving skills or learn more about data structures. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the JavaScript Algorithms repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to improve their algorithmic problem-solving skills or learn more about data structures, and provides a comprehensive collection of popular algorithms and data structures implemented in JavaScript. The eBook Foundation Free Programming Books is a GitHub repository that provides a curated list of free programming books available online. It is a community-driven project that aims to collect and categorize high-quality resources for programming enthusiasts, beginners, and experts alike. The repository contains a vast collection of resources covering a wide range of programming languages and technologies, including but not limited to Python, Java, JavaScript, PHP, C++, Ruby, and many more. The books are available in various formats, including PDF, EPUB, and mobile, making it easy for users to access them on different devices. The repository also includes books on topics such as software development, machine learning, data science, computer networking, game development, and more. The books are organized by language and topic, making it easy for users to find the resources they need. The eBook Foundation Free Programming Books repository has become a popular resource for programmers and students looking to improve their skills and knowledge. It is constantly updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that the resources remain relevant and up to date. The Developer Roadmap repository on GitHub is a collection of roadmaps that guide individuals on the path to becoming web developers or software engineers. It was created by Kamran Ahmed, a web developer and software engineer. The repository is organized into several roadmaps, each of which represents a different path to becoming a web developer or software engineer. The roadmaps cover various topics, such as front-end development, back-end development, DevOps, and data science. Each roadmap is broken down into different tiers, with each tier representing a different level of proficiency. The repository is designed to help individuals navigate the complex world of web development and software engineering by providing a clear path to follow. Each roadmap provides a list of skills and technologies to learn at each tier, along with resources and tools to help individuals develop those skills. The Developer Roadmap repository has become a popular resource for individuals looking to get started in web development or software engineering, as well as for experienced developers looking to expand their skill set. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Developer Roadmap repository is a fantastic resource for individuals looking to get started in web development or software engineering and provides a clear path to follow. The Know the Best Practices repository on GitHub is a comprehensive guide to writing high-quality and scalable Node.js applications. It was created by Yoni Goldberg, a software engineer with over a decade of experience in developing and architecting large-scale applications. The repository is organized into several categories, such as error handling, security, testing, and performance. Within each category, there are various best practices and guidelines that developers should follow when developing Node.js applications. Each best practice is accompanied by an explanation of why it is important and how to implement it in practice. The repository is designed to help developers build better Node.js applications by providing them with a set of best practices to follow. By following these best practices, developers can ensure that their applications are scalable, maintainable, and performant. The Know the Best Practices repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to improve the quality of their Node.js applications. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Know the Best Practices repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to improve the quality of their Node.js applications and provides a comprehensive set of best practices and guidelines to follow. The Tech Interview Handbook repository on GitHub is a comprehensive guide to preparing for technical interviews. Created by Yangshan Tai, a software engineer and tech enthusiast. The repository is organized into several sections, covering various topics related to technical interviews, such as data structures, algorithms, system design, and behavioral interviews. Each section provides detailed explanations of concepts and common interview questions, along with example code and tips for answering questions. The repository is designed to help individuals prepare for technical interviews by providing a comprehensive guide to the concepts and skills commonly tested during technical interviews. The repository covers everything from the basics of programming to more advanced topics like system design and scalability. The Tech Interview Handbook repository has become a popular resource for individuals looking to prepare for technical interviews, as well as for companies looking to improve their interview processes. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for individuals and companies. Overall, the Tech Interview Handbook repository is a fantastic resource for individuals looking to prepare for technical interviews and provides a comprehensive guide to the concepts and skills commonly tested during technical interviews. The Project-Based Learning repository on GitHub is a curated list of project-based tutorials and resources for learning programming languages and technologies. It was created by a group of developers who wanted to provide a comprehensive and practical way for individuals to learn new skills. The repository is organized into various categories, such as web development, machine learning, data science, and mobile development. Each category contains a list of projects and tutorials that teach practical skills and provide hands-on experience with the technology. The repository is designed to help individuals learn new programming languages and technologies by providing project-based tutorials that are both engaging and informative. By working on real-world projects, individuals can learn new skills and develop practical experience that will prepare them for real-world development. The Project-Based Learning repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to learn new programming languages and technologies. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for individuals. Overall, the Project-Based Learning repository is a fantastic resource for individuals looking to learn new programming languages and technologies and provides a curated list of project-based tutorials that are both engaging and informative. The 30 Seconds of Code repository on GitHub is a collection of concise and reusable code snippets for various programming languages and technologies. It was created by a group of developers who wanted to provide a library of code snippets that can be easily used and understood by developers. The repository is organized into various categories, such as array, string, math, and object manipulation. Each category contains a list of code snippets that solve common programming problems in a concise and efficient way. Each code snippet is accompanied by an explanation of how it works and examples of how it can be used in practice. The repository is designed to help developers save time and effort by providing them with a library of code snippets that they can use in their projects. By using these code snippets, developers can avoid reinventing the wheel and focus on solving more complex problems. The 30 Seconds of Code repository has become a popular resource for developers looking for quick solutions to common programming problems. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the 30 Seconds of Code repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking for concise and reusable code snippets for common programming problems, and provides a comprehensive collection of code snippets for various programming languages and technologies. The Free4Dev repository on GitHub is a curated list of software tools and services that are available for free or with a free tier for developers to use. It was created by R.I. Pinar, a software engineer and entrepreneur, with the goal of helping developers save money and reduce the cost of developing and deploying software. The repository is organized into various categories, such as hosting, analytics, monitoring, and version control. Each category contains a list of tools and services that are available for free or with a free tier, along with a brief description and links to their websites. The repository is designed to help developers find software tools and services that they can use for free or at a reduced cost, allowing them to save money and focus on building and deploying their software. By using these free tools and services, developers can reduce the cost of developing and deploying their software, making it more accessible and affordable. The Free4Dev repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to save money and reduce the cost of developing and deploying software. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Free4Dev repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to find software tools and services that are available for free or at a reduced cost, and provides a curated list of tools and services for various categories of software development. The JavaScript Questions repository on GitHub is a collection of JavaScript interview questions and their solutions. It was created by Lydia Hully, a software engineer and educator, with the goal of helping developers prepare for JavaScript interviews by providing them with a comprehensive collection of questions and solutions. The repository is organized into various categories, such as algorithms, data structures, and object-oriented programming. Each category contains a list of interview questions that are commonly asked during JavaScript interviews, along with their solutions and explanations. The repository is designed to help developers prepare for JavaScript interviews by providing them with a comprehensive collection of interview questions and their solutions. By working through these questions and their solutions, developers can improve their understanding of JavaScript and become better prepared for interviews. The JavaScript Questions repository has become a popular resource for developers preparing for JavaScript interviews. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the JavaScript Questions repository is a fantastic resource for developers preparing for JavaScript interviews and provides a comprehensive collection of interview questions and their solutions, along with explanations of how they work. The Design Resources for Developers repository on GitHub is a collection of design resources for developers. It was created by Brad Traversy, a web developer and instructor, with the goal of providing developers with a comprehensive collection of design resources that they can use to improve their web design skills. The repository is organized into various categories, such as fonts, color palettes, stock photos, and UI kits. Each category contains a list of resources that developers can use to improve their web design skills and create better-looking websites. The repository is designed to help developers improve their web design skills by providing them with a comprehensive collection of design resources. By using these resources, developers can learn about design principles, choose appropriate fonts and colors for their websites, and create more visually appealing user interfaces. The Design Resources for Developers repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to improve their web design skills. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Design Resources for Developers repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to improve their web design skills and provides a comprehensive collection of design resources that they can use to create more visually appealing websites. The App Ideas repository on GitHub is a collection of project ideas for developers to work on. It was created by Florin Pop, a web developer and blogger, with the goal of providing developers with a list of project ideas to work on to improve their skills and build their portfolio. The repository is organized into various categories, such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each category contains a list of project ideas, along with their descriptions and requirements. The repository is designed to help developers improve their skills and build their portfolio by providing them with a list of project ideas to work on. By working on these projects, developers can gain practical experience, learn new skills, and build a portfolio of work to showcase to potential employers. The App Ideas repository has become a popular resource for developers looking for project ideas to work on. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the App Ideas repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking for project ideas to work on and provides a comprehensive collection of project ideas for developers of all skill levels. The Build Your Own X repository on GitHub is a collection of tutorials and resources that help developers build their own versions of popular software tools and services. It was created by Codecrafters.io, a platform that provides developers with challenges and tasks to help them improve their programming skills. The repository is organized into various categories, such as databases, operating systems, and programming languages. Each category contains a list of tutorials and resources that guide developers through the process of building their own version of a popular software tool or service. The repository is designed to help developers improve their programming skills by providing them with hands-on experience building real-world software tools and services. By following the tutorials and building their own versions of popular software tools, developers can gain a deeper understanding of how these tools work and improve their programming skills. The Build Your Own X repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to improve their programming skills by building real-world software tools and services. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Build Your Own X repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to improve their programming skills and provides a comprehensive collection of tutorials and resources to help developers build their own versions of popular software tools and services. The Real-World repository on GitHub is a collection of codebases and implementations of the same web application, built with various popular web frameworks and libraries, with the goal of providing developers with a real-world example of how to build and structure a web application. The project was created by Thinkster, a platform that provides educational resources for web developers. The Real-World project was inspired by the popular blogging platform, Medium, and consists of a set of features that a typical blogging platform would have. The repository is organized into various directories, each representing a different web framework or library. Each implementation is built using the same set of API specifications, and developers can use the codebases as a reference when building their own web applications. The Real-World project is designed to help developers learn best practices for building web applications and to provide them with a real-world example of how to structure and implement a web application. By studying the codebases and implementations, Developers can gain insights into how to design and structure their own web applications. The real-world repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to learn best practices for building web applications. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the real-world repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to learn best practices for building web applications and provides a comprehensive collection of codebases and implementations of a real-world web application built with various popular web frameworks and libraries. The public APIs repository on GitHub is a collection of APIs that developers can use to build software applications. It was created by Public APIs, a community-driven organization that aims to provide developers with a comprehensive list of APIs that are publicly available and free to use. The repository is organized into various categories, such as animals, anime, books, and music. Each category contains a list of APIs that developers can use to access data and functionality related to that category. The public APIs repository is designed to help developers easily find and use APIs in their applications. By providing a comprehensive list of APIs, developers can quickly find the data and functionality they need for their applications without having to build it themselves. The public APIs repository has become a popular resource for developers looking for APIs to use in their applications. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the public APIs repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking for APIs to use in their applications and provides a comprehensive collection of APIs that are publicly available and free to use. The System Design Primer repository on GitHub is a comprehensive collection of resources, examples, and best practices for designing scalable systems. It was created by Don Martin, a software engineer and author, with the goal of providing developers with a practical guide to system design. The repository covers a wide range of topics related to system design, including scalability, availability, fault tolerance, database design, caching, load balancing, and much more. It provides detailed explanations and examples of various design patterns and best practices, along with links to additional resources for further reading. The System Design Primer repository is designed to help developers learn best practices for designing scalable systems. By providing a comprehensive collection of resources and examples, developers can gain insights into how to design and implement systems that can scale to meet the demands of their applications. The System Design Primer repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to learn system design. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the System Design Primer repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to learn best practices for designing scalable systems and provides a comprehensive guide to system design. The Art of Command Line repository on GitHub is a comprehensive guide to using the command line effectively. It was created by Josh Levy, a software developer and author, with the goal of providing developers with a practical guide to using the command line. The repository covers a wide range of topics related to the command line, including basic and advanced commands, command line tools, command line interfaces, and more. It provides detailed explanations and examples of various commands and tools, along with links to additional resources for further reading. The Art of Command Line repository is designed to help developers learn how to use the command line effectively. By providing a comprehensive collection of resources and examples, developers can gain insights into how to use the command line to streamline their workflow and increase productivity. The Art of Command Line repository has become a popular resource for developers looking to improve their command line skills. The repository is continuously updated and maintained by the community, ensuring that it remains a valuable resource for developers. Overall, the Art of Command Line repository is a fantastic resource for developers looking to learn how to use the command line effectively and provides a comprehensive guide to using the command line. The TensorFlow repository on GitHub is the official repository for the TensorFlow machine learning framework. TensorFlow was developed by the Google Brain team and is an open-source software library for data flow and differentiable programming across a range of tasks. The repository contains the complete source code for the TensorFlow framework, including the core libraries, tools, and examples. The code is written in C++, Python, and other languages, and is designed to run on a range of platforms, including desktops, servers, and mobile devices. TensorFlow is a highly flexible framework that can be used for a wide range of machine learning tasks, including deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more. The framework provides a range of APIs for developers to build and train machine learning models, as well as tools for deploying and scaling models in production. The TensorFlow repository is continuously updated and maintained by the TensorFlow community, which includes developers from Google and other organizations. The community is highly active, with regular contributions and updates to the framework, as well as support and resources for developers. Overall, the TensorFlow repository is a valuable resource for developers looking to build and deploy machine learning models using TensorFlow. With its comprehensive source code and active community, the repository provides a solid foundation for developers to build and scale their machine learning applications. The Book of Secret Knowledge repository on GitHub is a curated collection of resources and tools for developers, system administrators, and security professionals. It was created by Pavel Imada, a security engineer and open-source enthusiast, with the goal of providing a comprehensive guide to the tools and techniques used by experienced professionals in the field. The repository covers a wide range of topics related to system administration, security, and software development. It includes resources on programming languages, databases, networking, cryptography, and more. The repository also includes guides and tutorials on various tools and techniques, as well as links to additional resources for further reading. One of the unique features of the Book of Secret Knowledge repository is that it includes a Hall of Fame section, which highlights some of the most notable contributors to the field of open source and security. This section includes interviews with these individuals, as well as links to their work and resources. The Book of Secret Knowledge repository is designed to help developers and security professionals expand their knowledge and skills in their respective fields. By providing a comprehensive collection of resources and tools, developers can gain insights into the latest techniques and best practices in the field. Overall, the Book of Secret Knowledge repository is a valuable resource for developers and security professionals looking to expand their knowledge and skills. With its comprehensive collection of resources and active community, the repository provides a solid foundation for developers and security professionals to build their expertise in the field. That's all for today's video on the top 20 GitHub repositories of 2023. I hope you found this information helpful and informative. Which project was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And once again, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next one.